po, nakabalik na po ng Pilipinas si VP Duterte kahapon, kagabi, after almost a month na pagstay sa The Hague para po asikasuhin yung kaso ng tatay niya after the turnover to the ICC. Do you have any message for her in relation to the pending impeachment trial?
Welcome back po to our VP. Hindi ko alam kung bibigyan niya ako ng pasalubong. baka, siyempre maganda nakabalik siya kasi nga paghahandaan na itong mga susunod na buwan. At in terms of yung biyahe niya, personal trip naman kasi talaga yun at naiintindihan pa namin. So welcome back po, ma'am.
Sundot lang, do you think she will be more prepared to face the impeachment trial now that she has returned already to the Philippines?
Well, I guess she should be prepared kasi when we were doing the hearings, parang they were actually asserting na mag-impeachment na lang, di ba? Para sa korte, pagdebatehan sa korte, ilatag yung mga ebidensya. So I think they should be.